7 silent ways to make people regret losing you. Before anything else, understand this. You don't make people regret losing you by chasing, explaining, or proving anything. You do it by becoming so grounded, peaceful, and improved that your absence is louder than your words. Number 1, disappear with dignity. No drama, no long speeches, just quiet distance. Silence makes people think, and regret grows in the space you leave. Number 2, upgrade quietly. Improve your life, habits, and mindset without announcing it. Growth that isn't explained hits harder. Number 3, stop giving access. They no longer get your time, energy, or emotional support. Losing access to you is the real loss. Number 4, be unbothered, not bitter. Nothing confuses people more than seeing you calm and unaffected. Peace is powerful. Number 5, respect yourself more. Set boundaries. Say no. Walk away from disrespect. Self-respect makes regret inevitable. Number 6, let your absence teach the lesson. Don't remind them of your value. Let life show them what they lost. Number 7, live well without revenge. Happiness done quietly is the strongest response. Regret comes when they see you thriving without them. Sometimes the loudest message is the life you build in silence.